We want to make sure you get out the door safely or stay home a little bit longer if you need to. We got that heavy downpour, high winds, Chesley, a little bit of everything out there.
Good advice, Aisha. I like that. We're looking at the rain and the thunderstorms that are out there, folks. It will impact your morning commute, obviously, because it's coming down pretty heavy. Widespread as well. Winds associated with this particular system in our area as well. Be prepared, folks. You need to be safe, okay? No warnings in our area as of, well, actually, no, take it back. They just issued a warning here. You can see for Upson County. We were watching those storms a little bit further down to the south as well as they continue to slide further off to the north. And so that is where we have a current warning right now. In fact, let me get the very latest on this right now as we speak, since it's happening right now. We can show you joining me now with a little bit of behind the scenes going on. Okay, so we're looking at Barnesville. These are the cities associated with it. Forsyth. We're looking at Thomaston as well. You're looking at this lasting at least until, looks like it's going to last until 6:15 for this morning with this particular warning in our area. Let me get rid of that and show you exactly what's taking place. You can see over toward Thomaston right now and up towards Barnesville. You don't have the heavy rain over you yet, but it's just off to the west of you. That will continue to slide further off toward the north and east. I did see this was moving at about 40 miles per hour, so it is moving at a pretty decent clip. So it will continue to slide further off to the east. And we've been looking at severe thunderstorm warnings in our area so far this morning, and that's what we've been seeing. No tornado warnings as of yet, but there is some rotation in a few of these, and so certainly monitoring what's taking place. And it's down here to the south where we have a tornado watch, which means we're watching for the potential for tornadoes. Most of that has been well to the south of us over the central and southern portions of the state. Now, a heavy rain up here to the far north. You can see Gordon County right here. It's Calhoun, right where 75 is. Very heavy rain coming down. No lightning strikes associated with it, but it is very heavy rain just leaving the Georgia-Rome area. But you got a ways to go here. Places like Juneau, Sussex, over toward Mossy Creek. You've been dealing with the light to moderate rain. Heavy rain could be coming your way as well. Watching the temperatures falling off a little bit. Up here to the far northwest, we got temperatures in the 40s, 51 degrees in Georgia's Rome, 62 right now in Atlanta, 68 down in Thomaston. As that front continues to push through, we're anticipating those temperatures falling off. I think we'll dip down into the 40s briefly before those temperatures begin to rise back up, only in the 50s for highs this afternoon. This is where most of the activity has been, and you can see these little red polygons in here indicating tornado warnings, again, for the central and southern portions of the state. That is where you have much of the tornado watches that are in effect, and again, the severe thunderstorm warnings as well in our southernmost counties, and then further down to the south. That's where most of the activity has been with this particular system. Watching the front itself is still back off to the north and west of us. That's going to continue to push further into the area as well. As it moves through, our winds will shift to more northerly, and that's going to cool us down. Not only dry us out, but it's also going to cool our temperatures down. We were in the 80s just yesterday. Can you believe that? And now we'll see those temperatures only rise into the 50s for this afternoon. The severe weather threat shifts to the south and east of our area. Level 1 threat. It's a marginal risk down toward the central portions of the state, southeastern portions of the state as well. Here it is, our forecast track model. You can follow along with you at the time. Right there, top of the screen, shows the heaviest rain pushing eastward. It should be away from us by the time we get to 7, 8 o'clock this morning. By 9 o'clock, a lot of the rain would have wrapped up. Certainly by noon, we're drying out. Sunshine breaks out. The winds will be pretty strong or gusty this afternoon. You're looking at clear skies for the rest of the day. We'll have the sunshine in place. Clear skies tonight will lead us to more sunshine as we head into Friday. Our winds shift to more easterly and start to let up just a little bit as well, and begin that southerly push as we head further into the weekend. That's where we're going to see our temperatures warm back up again. So speaking of which, warm air over us has begun to retreat. The cool air will be in place for today, and then mild air comes back to us as we head into Friday. I'm thinking upper 60s. 70s will be around as we head through the weekend. And then as we start the work week next week, look at this. Colder air will be making its way down toward our area, folks. And so, yeah, we got to get our minds right for that. But we got to deal with the rain first. We'll be dealing with that this morning. Once that gets out of the way, then we can focus on the a little bit of brief warm-up of coming our way as we head into the weekend. 76 for the high on Saturday. Sunday, we're looking at 78 for the high temperature. We'll have sunshine around. A few extra clouds will come in with a very low threat for the rain. A little better chance on Monday with that next front moving through. It will knock our temperatures down as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Let's get over to Rachel now with a check on the roads.